Hello, welcome. I want to show you how to trade cryptocurrencies this year. I want to show you how to trade cryptocurrencies and make thousands of dollars. If you do it properly, it's not guaranteed, but if you follow this instruction, you're going to make massive profit trading cryptocurrency all by yourself on the comfort of your house. My name is Joshua and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, cryptocurrency is going to be our talk, how to trade cryptocurrency, how to make money from cryptocurrency. I've made videos before now around cryptocurrency and how to trade cryptocurrency. But I want to make another video that will explain to you specifically how to buy a cryptocurrency at the comfort of your home with your mobile phone or your laptop. You know, one of the things people want now is how to make money. Passive way of making money, passive income streams. How can I make money more? How can I invest my money and make a lot of money? So one of the ways you can make money is by trading crypto assets. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade your own crypto asset all by yourself. And I must place this disclaimer. If you don't have a cash flow, please do not trade cryptocurrencies. It's not advisable. You can take the risks if you can't contain the risks. But if you don't have a cash flow system, a system that gives you money on a regular basis, it might be a 9 to 5 that pays you a particular amount every month, please do not indulge in crypto trading unless you have mastered it very well. If you are just starting off, make sure first you establish an income stream that will generate money for you to invest in the crypto market. But if you already have that figured out, then we will continue with this video where I'll be showing you how to make your crypto investment. So we'll be heading over to my laptop now, my screen right here, and I'll be showing you how to trade crypto. While I'm going to be showing you that also, I'm making references to other things that will also interest you in the course of this video, right? So let's head over to my screen. So this is my Binance screen, my Binance desktop application. Whatever I can do on my desktop application, you can also do with your mobile application. It's the same Binance application, and one of the reasons why I choose Binance is because Binance is the number one trading platform, crypto trading platform in the world as at the time of recording this video. Another one might come up tomorrow and beat it, who knows, but right now is number one and is super secured and has a lot of beautiful features, right? So I will always recommend that I trade. So you can use the link on the description section to create a free account on Binance. And if you don't know how to set up your own Binance account, I've made a video which should be showing somewhere here or here, and also the link will be on my description of this video, where you can watch how to create your own Binance account and start making your first trade, right? So, but in today's video, I'm just going to focus on how you can buy your crypto assets if it's your first time or you don't even know how to do that. So I am on my Binance application, and it's a very beautiful interface. I can add a lot of things here, and I'll be showing you, just doing a very quick tour around it. This is the menu section for the base menu, right? Like the home page in quote for the desktop application. This is the market section, right? If you click on it, you're going to see market. The market, see a lot of things happening in the marketplace, right? You're going to see Chiba, doing plus 5%. The market is quickly recovering. Today is not a crypto update section, right? But basically, we just had a serious dip. Bitcoin dropped down to $38K plus as at yesterday, day before yesterday. But today is recovering. This is after the news of Elon Musk buying Twitter, right? So, but first, we'll talk about that later. Maybe towards the end of this video, I'll make some references around these coins you can definitely start trading on. But as of yesterday, I loaded my bags with Dogecoin because I knew the Twitter and Elon Musk news definitely affect the Dogecoin value. And of course, as of this morning, Dogecoin is already around 29% up. It was 30% up some minutes ago, and that's it. So basically, here you click on market, you're going to see the whole market interface, right? What is happening, coins, trading coins according to their rankings, right? So you have according to MC, that's their market capitalization, right? So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, USDC, which is also a stable coin like the USDT, right? And then we have all of these beautiful tokens and coins on the platform, Solana and all of that. So if you click on buy crypto, this is when you want to fund your wallet with crypto assets. So you can use your fiat currency. Let's say you are in Nigeria, you can use your naira. Let's say you are in America, you can use your dollar. Let's say you are in Uganda, you can use your Uganda currency, I don't know what that is, and then I think Uganda shillings, right? And buy your crypto assets. So it's where you want to fund it, click on it to take you to that part. I've done a video previously on this that explains it in detail. The link is on the description section of this video. So make sure you click on that link after watching this one. So if I click on trade it, you now see where I have the possibility to buy any crypto asset I want to buy. I'll see the trading interface. So here I have BTC against USDT. I have a double. Okay, so I have here ENS against USDT. Here again, I have BTC against USDT. So I'll just close that one up. So, but let's open up. You click on the plus button. You have the classic, pro, full screen, standard. I always use the pro if I'm on my desktop. On mobile phone, you only have the pro and the basic. So you always have the pro set up for you to have the few features that you want to play around with. So I'll click on the pro on the desktop view, and then it's going to open up for me where I'm going to select the trade I want to trade, right? So if I click on plus again, I have all of these options, right? So if I come back to BTC, if I click on this drop down here, I'm going to see different crypto assets I can trade. But today's video, this is a demo account I'm using for this video, right? I'm using a demo account to show these illustrations, right? So I'm going to show you an example of how to buy your own crypto asset and make money off it, and some of the things you need to put into consideration that will guarantee you making profit. So right now, there's a recovery in the market. The market is recovering from 38K. Bitcoin is at 40K this morning. So it means that the recovery system is up. We're expecting the market recovery, especially with the new Elon Musk news everywhere. It's going to affect some of the crypto altcoins. Altcoins are alternative coins. I've explained this in my previous video on cryptocurrency. So let's say we want to trade. So which cryptocurrency are we going to buy now? So I'm going to buy a crypto asset from a signal I received from a paid signal group, right? So I'm subscribed to signal groups, right? I'm going to use that signal group to buy this crypto. This is going to be a live demonstration. I'm not going to tell you a lot of those higgy haga stuff. I'm going to show you live demonstration me buying crypto assets from this demo account. So I'm going to head over to one of the groups. I'm going to pull up one of their crypto signals that published this morning. I'm going to scroll, and then I'm going to click back. Yep, so I've got it. So we are going to buy crypto asset ZRX. That's the crypto asset we're going to buy live in this video session. I'm going to show you how we're going to buy our ZRX. It's a coin, and then we're going to just go to the search box here and type ZRX. You're going to see ZRX pop up with different trading pairs. Trading pairs are other currencies you can trade that particular crypto asset against or for. So here we have ZRX against BTC. We have ZRX with pairing USDT. So I have USDT that I want to use to purchase this crypto asset. So I'm going to use my USDT to buy this crypto asset. If that's fine by you, right? Let's go. So I have some USDT in this account portfolio. Currently it just is 0.35 upwards. So I'm going to click on that. And then we're going to see the interface pop up. So we have ZRX USDT. The current price now is at 0.7535. Okay, 0.7535, and we are still within the entry point for this signal, right? I'm not going to publish the signal publicly because it's a paid stuff. I don't do all of this stuff like leaking paid stuff. You want to have access to it, you can shout me up, or you go to www.depa.school and buy the trade and make money course from Chris Annie. They're one of my crypto mentors who I learned crypto trading from. So the link also will be in the description section. You can use my referral link to buy that course. It's around $200 right now. You can buy it and also get this free signal. So I'm using a signal right now to make this live trade on my channel just to show you guys how to buy crypto assets, right? So I'm going to use ZRX against USDT to buy. So I'm still within the entry point. Entry point means where you need to get into. If you are above the entry point, you really need to be very, very careful. If you are within the entry point, that means it's a very good shot for you to start buying up into that particular asset. And remember, I've always thought if you're going to buy crypto asset, let's say you have $500 to buy crypto asset, don't buy $500 at a shot. Split that $500. I always recommend split it into two. Buy $250 first, and then after you've got $250, if the market is still going up, you can then split the remaining $250 and buy up the process up. If the market goes down a little bit, you buy the dip up back again until you have finished exhausting your $500. That way you can buy the dip, have money to buy as you're going up and also have money to diversify in other crypto assets. That's one of the ways I recommend buying your crypto assets. For those who want to apply that, good luck for you. But if you don't want to, it's all your decisions to make. But this principle will really save you a lot from losing a lot of money while trading your crypto assets, right? So I'm within the entry point is around 0.76, and I'm within that range. So now I have some spare USDT here. I think about 2K USDT on this demo account just to spare for this illustration. So I'm going to just buy, let's say I'm going to buy 500, right? Let's say in my mind I've decided to buy 500, for example. So I'm going to step in by just, let's say I want to buy $1,000, right, of ZRX. So I'm going to first start by buying 500 ZRX. That's going to be my first touch point, 500 ZRX. So since I have $1,000 to spare, I'm going to buy 500. So what I will do is, since I'm within the entry point, I have 757, I'm going to type $500 here. You can see it at the right side of my screen, right? $500. So I'm going to click on $500. So now that I have $500 added to me, and I can see it's equal to 663 ZRX, then I'm good to go. And the entry point recommended was 0.713. I don't have time to really make further research to check if I can buy, if it's going to go down and go up, because it's a paste also, and I trust where it's coming from. I'm just cool with it, and it's going to go up, and I've seen the target point, and I'm cool with it, and I'm like, okay, I'm just going to go in, right? So that's me the end of doing a lot of research and finding out which other point should I go into. So I'm just going all okay. So limit means within the market price range. Market means the exact market price, and stop limit means you are buying when the price gets to a particular point, either lower or higher than the market value price. Okay, so I just bought with the limit order, and my order is filled. So right now, how much ZRX do I have? If I go to the sales section, I'm going to say I have 663 ZRX for myself, and that means if I want to sell it back, I have $499 to sell, but I'm not going to sell them because I'm going to wait for profit. So one of the ways you need to keep in check, one of the things you need to keep in check while buying crypto assets, to make sure you are not losing money, or you're not going to lose a lot of money in case there is a reverse in the market. The market is super volatile. Trading cryptocurrency is very, very volatile, and you really don't want to spend take the risk of losing your money, right? So their predictions, though, is correct, but anything can happen to the market and cause a massive reversal. So what you want to do is always keep in check of 8 to 10% loss risks, right? You don't want to lose more than 8 to 10% of your investment capital, right? Which is average. You can do 20%, you can bear the risk of 20%. So what we normally do is, now I've placed a trade and the trade has failed, and I've gotten my $500 worth of ZRX. What I will now do is I will now go to stop limit. Could have done it when I was buying, but I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to say, please, what is the 10% of 0.75? Can I do the maths, right? Just need to arithmetic, do the math of 10%. What is the value of 10% loss if I lose 10%? You can use your trading view to do this quick calculation. Trading view gives you opportunity to do that. You can easily navigate to trading view. If you come to this place and click trading view at the top of this place, you're going to see trading view. It's going to show you trading view, and then you can do define your 10% of whatever percentage loss there is. An analytics tool that does that for us, right? Probably 0.73 that we can contain. For me, I can bear the risk of 0.74 for 0.73. I will tell it to sell my cryptocurrency if the market value gets to 0.7. So that means if I sell at that point, I'm going to lose about $10 to $15, which is affordable for me. I can bear that risk, right? So that way, I can say, oh, I can bear the risk of losing this kind of amount. Or if I want to go lower, I can say, okay, oh, why not drop lower for me, drop to 0.2. That means I'm going to lose about $20 from the trade. I can go lower and lower and lower and lower. I can lose more if I can engage more. Then I can lose $10. I can lose $50. I can sacrifice $50, which is like exactly 10% of my capital investment, right? If I lose $50 of my capital investment, I can say, oh, I can go down to 0.070 loss. If it drops to this amount, please sell my assets for me. So we are going to go with 0.70, which means I'm going to lose about $40 or $34 of my capital investment if the market drops to 0.704, right? That means I've measured it. So you can use all of these analytics tools to measure the percentage value and against your capital investment, not against the current market value or the current price, right? So you have to just do that calculation yourself. So I'm going to click on sell, and remember, I said, ooh, if the price, if stop limit, sorry, if I had hit sell right now, I would have lost this trade. Like I would have sold it at 44 at 0.70. So that's not what I want to do. I'm going to say If the price gets to this, hold on a moment, please. Go back to limit. Yeah, go back to stop limit rather. So if the limit price gets to this, I want to sell my crypto asset. But of course, you can also make other changes. Yeah, I'm correct. The setup was correct. So if I hit the sell button now, it's going to set that stop loss for me. So if it gets to this particular price, I'm going to sell. So, but right now in this video, I don't want to take that jump. I want to leave everything. I can even decide not to sell all. I can decide to just say, instead of selling all for me, sell like, let's say, sell 8% of my capital investment, or 7% of my capital investment, or maybe 6% of my capital investment. And at that point, then I'll buy back. If you don't want to sell out everything you want to. If I hit the sell button now, oops, so I have to fix the stop limit. If it gets to 0. I didn't even fix that, 0.7021. Okay, I can say 30 rather. So what this means that if the price gets to 0.7030, it should sell for me at 0.7034. This simply means that I'm going to sell slightly above the market value as of that time. So if the market is going so down because of pressure of people feeling their orders, it's going to fill up my own fast because my own is slightly above the current value, market value. So it's always the check I put in to make sure my order feels fast. If I'm going to sell it at the exact market value at that time, I'll have a lot of people selling at that moment, and my order might not fill, and the market will keep dumping and dumping. So just to be on the safe side, you want to do this. So if I click on sell, it's going to place that order for me, and it will tell you, hey, this is it. You are selling 28k. If the price drops this, so it's going to fill out for you. So I've showed you a real example, and it's going to be logged there if the market price drops to that particular amount. Okay. So this is one of the checks you need to do when you are placing your trade. And if you do this, you are going to be super secured and safe from losing a lot of your trade. You can decide to sell out everything when the price gets to that price, when the amount gets to that price. You can decide to sell some depending on what you want to do for yourself, depending on what your decision is for your trade. And I believe with this, you're going to be safe buying your crypto assets and also curtail your losses, and also be very safe. So if you learned something in this video, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to make more videos on cryptocurrency trading, let me also know in the comment section. And if the video excites you, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course turn on the notification so I get notified when I drop amazing and beautiful videos like this in my subsequent videos. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.